Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn the rise of nationalism in Europe together, step by step. Welcome, I am Vidya. In this chapter, we trace how the idea of the nation-state rose in Europe during the 19th century and how peoples came together to form unified nations. The French Revolution of 1789 was the first clear expression of nationalism. It shifted sovereignty from the monarch to the body of citizens, who now saw themselves as one nation sharing common rights and a common identity. After Napoleon, conservative rulers tried to restore old orders at the Congress of Vienna in 1815. But liberal nationalists, mostly the educated middle class, pressed for constitutions and freedom, sparking uprisings across Europe in 1830 and 1848. Italy was a patchwork of states. Through the diplomacy of Cavour, the campaigns of Giuseppe Garibaldi, and the leadership of Sardinia-Piedmont, the regions were joined, and a unified Italian kingdom was proclaimed in 1861. In Germany, the chief minister of Prussia, Otto von Bismarck, used a policy of blood and iron. After 3 swift wars against Denmark, Austria, and France, the German Empire was founded in 1871 with the Prussian king as Kaiser. To recap, nationalism in Europe grew from the French Revolution and the ideals of liberty and equality. Liberal movements challenged old empires, and by the 1870s, Italy and Germany had emerged as unified nation-states. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.